Hi all. In this video, we will see third category of meta learning based fish-art learning called model based meta learning. So the previous videos we saw two varieties of meta learning based addressing the classification task of fish-art classification problems. So here the third category is called model based meta learnings. So what is model based meta learning here is the model itself will have a special kind of an architectures which try to utilize the distribution of task set up in the meta learning to uh, to 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 tailor to address the problem of the deficiency in the sample data in few short learning. So what we try to do in a memory based meta learning here, the one of the important key feature is among this model based meta learning there is special architecture is based on memory based and rapid adaptation based and miscellaneous model. The most important key factor here is the memory based. What is as name implies, the memory based architecture is called I have an explicitly an external memory in terms of like kind of representing kind of a matrix based where every row can be a memory or every column can be a memory or every kind of submatrix can be a memory where it can be retrieved when it is required for the further prediction process. So it's unlike the internal memory what usually they say is in the vanilla RNN that hidden neural networks which try to store the previous data information. It's not like that. It's explicitly a memory in terms of a matrix is been architect, and it is adapted with the standardized parameterized model like neural networks. So one among that memory based neural network is neural Turing machines where it has a controller setup. The controller is like kind of neural network. It takes a standard input and output, and along with that standard input and output, that neural network also reads and writes information to that memory. So when there is some kind of task to be done, it also tries, not only it tries to predict the output, it also predicts the future vectors. That future vector itself can be utilized for the further predictions, or it can be tried to utilize for extracting the information from the external memory using the attention based mechanism. So in the meta learning setup, this kind of external memory, that past distribution task in a training task, that information that during the training time can be embedded both in both itself in the slow process learning of the parameterized, and also it can tries to retrieve, tries to store the condensed information during that training time in the memory base, and during the test time or the new task is given, those external memory and also the trained model can be utilized both for when the data is insufficient. So another memory based meta learning is called as memory matching networks. It is something like augmenting the metric based meta learning, that matching networks with the memory based with having an explicit memory. Here there is an embedding of the support support set like an images is happened, and that embedded information can be stored in the external memory, and when it is when the query is given, it's try to see which embedded information will be more matching to the given query set, and based on that it tries to retrieve those information and be further utilized for the classification task. This is highly helpful when the data is insufficient, and during the training time, that CNN parameters for embedding is also parallelly trained along with the way we are trying to store and retrieve the informations. Thank you.